Now, that's really interesting here because generally speaking, it is just the oldest child, and it is just that oldest child at all that it matters. But for some reason, Javan or Javan was significant in the early world because we have the sons of Gomer listed, and then we have, it says, and the sons of Javan in verse 4 here. So we have another lineage, the sons of Javan, and they get listed as well. And those are, well, actually, Elisha. It's just a different spelling. Elishah. Okay? So it's Elisha and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. Now, why is this important? Because this is the settlement and the civilization of the ancient world. When we come to other books of the Bible, you're going to want to reference some of this because a lot of these words are, each of these people founded cities. So, for example, Tarshish.
Give me